Meet Architect by Lyzr, a no-code platform that turns a plain English description into a complete, working AI application. Lyzr calls it the world's first enterprise-grade text-to-agent platform. You describe what you want, and Architect builds the agents, the logic, the integrations, the user interface, and the guardrails. In this video we'll walk through what it is and its standout features, using real screenshots from the product. Shipping AI agents to production is hard. A real agentic app is much more than a clever prompt. You need orchestration between multiple agents, connections to your tools and data, a usable interface, access controls, and governance so it behaves safely. Then you have to test it and deploy it. Traditionally, that means weeks of engineering across several teams. Architect's goal is to collapse all of that into a single prompt-driven workflow. So what is Architect? At its core, it is text-to-agent. You open a single prompt box and describe your objective in plain language. For example, build me a customer support agent trained on my website. Architect plans the solution, then generates a full agentic application around it. There is no code to write and no complex builder to learn. Lyzr sums up the flow as prompt to agents to governance to user interface to deploy. From that one prompt, Architect goes all the way to production in minutes. It writes the agent logic, wires up the data and tools, and generates a production-ready Next.js front end, a real full-stack app, not a demo. As it works, it plans, builds, checks the build, and fixes its own errors, committing each step along the way. What used to take a team weeks becomes something a single person can stand up in an afternoon. Most useful automations need more than one agent, and Architect generates them as a coordinated system. Here you can see a visual canvas of sub-agents, a coordinator routing work to research, generation, and strategy agents, each with its own tools and connections. Architect supports both autonomous reasoning agents that decide their next step, and deterministic workflow agents that follow fixed steps. You can open any node and edit it in Agent Studio. Agents are only useful when they can act, so Architect ships with native tool integrations. Out of the box, your agents can use Gmail, Slack, Notion, GitHub, Google Drive, and Jira, plus many more as tools they call directly. There is no custom API wiring to configure. Architect connects the dots for you. That means an agent can read a document, post to a channel, open an issue, or send an update as part of its workflow. Architect is also multimodal. Your agents are not limited to text. They can talk and listen, see images, and even generate images and video. It plugs into providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, 11 Labs, and Replicate, so you get any vendor and any modality with zero integration work. The screenshot shows a live voice agent conducting a spoken interview. The same platform can build a chat assistant, a voice bot, or a media app. Every app you build lives in your Architect workspace. From the home screen you describe a new app, pick a one-shot or a guided build mode, and your finished applications collect under My Apps, ready to open and share. Because the front end is generated for you, your team can start using an agent the day it is built, with no separate handoff to designers or front-end engineers. For enterprises, trust is everything, so governance is built in. Architect includes Agent Eval, a multi-agent consensus system, where agents check each other's decisions before acting, and it escalates to a human when confidence drops below a set threshold. A simulation engine can run up to 10,000 automated tests against your agent to surface failure modes before launch. And from the control plane you can trace behavior, adjust prompts, and update knowledge live. You also control where it all runs. Architect can deploy on Lyzr's cloud for speed, inside your own private virtual private cloud as an isolated environment, or fully on premises as a closed box system within your own infrastructure. And because Architect generates real code, you can export the front end and host it yourself. That flexibility is what makes it suitable for regulated, security-conscious enterprises, not just quick prototypes. So, to recap, Architect by Lyzr turns a plain English prompt into a full-stack agentic application. It generates coordinated multi-agent systems, connects native tools like Slack and Notion, and supports text, voice, and image across many providers. It bakes in governance, evaluation, and up to 10,000 simulated tests, and it deploys on cloud, private cloud, or on-prem. Prompt in, production app out. That's Architect by Lyzr, from an idea to a working agentic app without the engineering grind. If you found this useful, follow for more hands-on AI tool breakdowns and try it yourself at architect.new.